Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You might have probably heard people talk about stablecoins or saving in cryptocurrencies. In this video, we'll be exploring stablecoins and some key topics like what stablecoins are, the difference between stablecoins and other cryptocurrencies, their types and their benefits. You know how we do it. Stick around and let's make some magics together. In my first video, I made mention of the disadvantages of cryptocurrency like Ethereum and Bitcoin is volatility. Prices go up and down quickly. Stablecoins were created to resolve this issue. Let's dive into what a stablecoin is. What is a stablecoin? A stablecoin is a type of a cryptocurrency designed to keep its value stable, usually backed by a real-world asset like the US dollar, an euro, or even a gold. This is designed to keep its value stable rather than going up and down like Bitcoin or Ethereum. For example, 1 USDT is equals to $1. 1 USD coin is equals to $1. That means if you hold 10 USDT, it should always worth about $10 no matter how the crypto market moves. Let's look at how stablecoins differ from other cryptocurrencies. Number 1, price stability. In stablecoins, the prices are made to stay fixed. But while in other cryptocurrency, their prices fluctuate. You can make profits today and make a loss tomorrow. Number 2, couples. In stablecoins are used for trading, for savings, and for making payments. While for other cryptocurrencies, they are used for investment, hoping that price should go up. Thirdly, how they are backed. In stablecoins are usually supported by real-world assets like the dollar in the bank. While in other cryptocurrencies, their value is based by demand and supply in the market. Let's look at the types of stablecoin. Number 1, you have fiat-backed stablecoin. These fiat-backed stablecoins are backed by a real-world money, like the dollar in your bank. An example is a USDT and USD coin. Number 2, crypto-backed stablecoins. These crypto-backed stablecoins are backed by other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or Bitcoin rather than US dollar. They use smart contracts to make sure that the value stays steady. Number 3, algorithm stablecoin. These algorithm stablecoin do not have backing. Rather, they rely on algorithm and smart contracts to control supply and to stabilize the price. Let's look at the benefits of stablecoins. Number 1, stable farming. Stablecoins are meant to stay close to $1, which allows people to save, to make payments without worrying about fluctuation of prices. Number 2, fast and cheap transactions. You can send money across the country quickly and at a low cost without worrying about going to the bank or having transaction issues. Number 3, safe options for traders. Traders use stablecoins to make profit or avoid the loss when prices moves up and down. The fourth one, you have use a DeFi. What is a DeFi? A DeFi is a decentralized finance. Stablecoins are used in DeFi for lending, borrowing, staking, and any profits. We have covered the basics of stablecoins, including what they are, how they differ from other cryptocurrencies, their types, and their usefulness. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.